What if DJI's biggest drone of 2026 has already leaked, without the company saying a single word? It sounds unbelievable, but that's exactly what's happening. A mysterious new DJI drone, carrying the model number N610BS, has quietly appeared in China's certification database. And if you followed DJI over the years, you know these certification filings have a history of revealing new products months before they're officially announced. But here's where things get really interesting. The model name N610BS doesn't match any existing DJI lineup. It's not a Mini, Air, Avata, Neo, or Matrice. In fact, DJI has never used an N series before. That strongly suggests the company could be preparing an entirely new family of drones instead of just refreshing an existing model. And there's more. The listing also reveals a second variant called N610BS BD, hinting that DJI is already testing multiple versions. Even more interesting, the certification points toward a higher-end drone rather than an entry-level model. So what could it be? The most likely theory is that DJI is developing a brand new prosumer drone, sitting between the popular Air series and its expensive enterprise lineup. That would give creators and filmmakers a more powerful option without the premium price tag of commercial drones. Of course, we still don't have official specifications, launch dates, or even FCC certification for the US market. So, for now, everything remains speculation. But one thing is becoming clear: DJI isn't simply preparing another routine upgrade. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, 2026 could introduce an entirely new category of DJI drones, and that might make it one of the company's most exciting launches in years. So, what do you think DJI's mysterious N610BS really is? Let me know your predictions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest drone leaks and tech updates.